I did the stupidest shit, Amelia. I definitely got money, but I definitely did not follow my rules. How's that sound? I definitely didn't follow my rules. I made a little bit of money in some places. I lost some money. And all I had to do was follow my rules. Just didn't follow rules. So typically when you get these dumps, I don't actually get in until you have a V shape. And then I would get in somewhere around here. And I would have taken it, maybe 30 points, 20 points up. Yeah, I went against my rules. What up, CT? Boom. I was down over $1,000 in this account and made it all back. I made it all back. I made it all back down here. There's a lot of buys there. You know what's so crazy is I wasn't around for the beginning of the drop. I took a shower. I took a shower and whatnot, but that's pretty fucking clean. The drop, the retest, and then down. I'm not saying you're going to get the whole thing, but you got the same thing: drop, retest, and down. That's pretty much the opposite of what I play the upside. Break, retest up, break, retest, and down. Bro, somebody traded at lunch and definitely took a punch. Fucking this market just unloaded. Unloaded. Unbelievable. Oh, man. That was a massive drop. Basically like a 300-point drop. Anybody know what caused it yet? Wow. Bro, somebody just lit that the fuck up. You know what's going to be big today? MOC is going to be massive. Yeah, bonds are going through the roof. Yo, what up, Laffa? Boom, 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 boom. Man, it's going to be interesting how tomorrow plays out. I mean, this thing could keep going down now. This could be the next big thing. This could definitely be the next big thing. You needed something to come in and code. Wait, what did you just say in Discord? Let me look. Nah, I wasn't even around for it. I was taking a shower. I ate, I took a shower, and then we were like mid drop, and I came on probably like here-ish. I like when we move around like this. This is better than this is much better than the other shit. I hate when we're not moving. That sucks when it's just like I was taking a shower. Yeah. Had a shower, man. Oh. I don't see this going back up. I mean, not that we can't bounce a little bit, but I have this weird feeling we're going lower than this. Could be wrong, but obviously I'm just going to play the chart, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a lower day. 350s. I want to see a dump. Let's go. Come to Butthead. What did you say? For people who like it long, I would target 2103. Oh, man. I think it's going, yeah. I wouldn't be surprised to see that all the way down. All the way down. Nothing can stop. I would love to see a dump. Massive dump. Oh, that'd be so great. This doesn't look great. This looks bad. Yo, 250 points is not much in this environment. I mean, we just did 300 points in a half hour. Who says this can't just let go and go? You know, you got this down, flat, and then we'd get a big third leg down. A huge third leg. Maybe go down to 21,000. See, it can't get over this. It can't get over this green line. I think we're just going to trend lower. I don't think anybody's really going to step up and start buying. Whoa. It's like price action just kind of halted for a little bit. I would say we're going to go lower. Feels it. Let's see what we got. Right here, you're holding the previous 4-hour lows. Breaking through a breaker. That was to the upside. I'd like to see a retest of like all, it's just so freaking high. So high. I was going to say like 361, but I don't think we're going to see 361. That would have been my reshort area. I don't know if we're going to get there though. Kind of seems a little far. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, Maria, you need somebody to bail you out of jail? I got you. I just don't see them buying it 100 points, Chad. If it was to the downside 100 points, I would say, yeah, that's probably going to get there. But to the upside, I don't know. I'm very weary about playing long when we just dumped. And it seems like it may not. It may want to keep dumping. You know, like what? If they dumped it this much, probably keep dumping it. No reason not to. I'm just taking the 34 rejection. See if we go lower. Right off this green line. I got an awful fill. The candles are so big. I'm supposed to go play some baseball tonight, but apparently it's all canceled. I think it's all canceled. Come on. Dump it. Man, I feel like I'm going to stay in this one for a little bit. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to see it close above the green line, the 34. I don't want it to go above that. kind of feels like it's just got a rounded, like just rounded, where we're just going to go and then accelerate to the downside. Are you not going to at least take one contract out right there? If I get taken out right here, I'm going to move the other one to break even. Dude, I was right there. You couldn't just grab my freaking contract? Are you kidding me? We were right there. Come on. Oh, this is such bullshit. I was literally 2 points away. 2 points away from getting taken out. Come on. Come on, NQ. Just a little, just flash it, and then I can move to break even. Bro, did that just happen again? The fuck? Just hanging in. Come on, man. That's some bullshit. All right, I moved my stop down, so I'm leaving this place with some type of money. Okay. We just got taken out. I'm putting my other one right there. All right. We got taken out. It was good, though. 305 and 125. Oh, shit. There we go. I got an awful entry. This is just a scout. If it bounces at 200, whatever, I make a couple bucks. That's fine. That's fine. That's 125 in a funded account. I take that. Take it to the bank. Yo, what up, Team Godlike? I don't know. Got to be around. Otherwise, you might miss it. Got to be in it to win it, man. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, that was a good move. Man, this one's rough. Yo, you get knowledge every single day by being here. It may not Are you up in all of them, CT? What are you at consistency for all of them or past them all? Consistency or past? Yo, what up, Sleeper? Yeah, I mean, if you're at consistency or past, I mean, you can always get a Bulenox for $15 to have fun if you want to. Get it cheapy. What up, Vince? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. Because Apex isn't running a deal, I'll be running one Apex and two. Oh, I mean, any 50K account we can go with. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have to be Apex. What about if we went with? Yeah, any 50Ks. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. Yeah, I mean, I'll probably use. I'll get 350Ks. I don't know what accounts, but I'll get something. You're gonna use 2 Tradeify accounts. Yo, Sean, just remember the Tradeify accounts have soft limits at 1250. You know what I'm saying? What up, PG? It was I think it was something to do with the bonds. They were saying bond auction went off. I mean, is that we're definitely due for a bounce in general. A dump or a pullback. Doesn't really shock me. Yeah, just think about it. I mean, yo. I mean, I'll do it if you want to do it. I'll grab 2 and something else. I don't care. I might grab a take profit trader account. Oh, yo, you know what? Take profit trader account. I can only do 1,500 in it. Yeah, Tradeify or hopefully Apex runs the deal again tonight. You got to be on the stream when I open it up, SK. Everything comes on the stream. You'll see it. It's only open for a little amount of time. So if you're on, you'll see it. I'll let you know, Chad. I'll be like, Chad, it's that time, Chad. Dude, I went to do I just went to do something and I fucking completely forget. Yo, I definitely don't want to do 6K to pass. Definitely not. Chad wants me to be more verbal with him. I'm thinking what I could do. What's the best option here? It's time. Yeah. We shall see. Dude, I was gonna do something. I completely forget what I was gonna do. I was like, oh, that sounds like a good idea. And then it just completely was not a good idea. Yo, what up, Discipline? Start quacking. Oh. It's holding the wicks of the previous two. Well, not the previous hour. I'm just looking. I kind of feel like we're going to take this back up. Come on. I don't trust this for shit. I'm just, I wish they dumped it to 15,000, Ian. That would make life so much easier. You're sitting right. Well, I mean, that's the other way. See, it bounced off there. Yo, what up, Nitro? What's cracking, man? I'm just on top of my regular charts. I'm just looking at higher time frames, 5, 15, hourly. You know what's crazy is you had 2 3 bars on the hourly today. I mean, like, Do you take that? I can't take this. It's too far. It's too big. That's too big of a 3-bar. That third bar is too big to take. It's literally your stop would be 563. It's like 120 points. Yo, what up, DBT? I as much as it played out, I don't see how you could take that. I mean, it's holding these order blocks on the 5. See if we get a push back up. Yeah, Knob. Yo, it's like taking a Tootsie Roll. Yo, that shit was so funny. Now everyone knows Diddy's like a Tootsie Roll. I mean, today was going great, and then it dumped. I don't know. Not going to lie. I secured $3,900 worth of payouts today. I'm having a pretty good day. That's 3 different prop firms payouts today. I'm pretty happy how things went today. If I can just stack some money in some of these other accounts. Man, that was crazy. Boom, 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 boom. Anybody looking like, I think we're just going to go short again. Feels like it's just a come up and then come back down type of day. Boom. I was kind of excited about this, and it kind of just stopped. I mean, you're at the bottom orb right here. If you were going to take a short, let's see if they reject it. They kind of did on this wick. I should have gotten filled up there. Come on. If I get filled here, I'll move my other stop at break even. We'll see what happens. Yo, you're going to have to take a number. If I get stopped, I get stopped. To me, it's a... I mean, there's just resistance right there. We're kind of overbought on the 1. Stochastics are way up. Watch them just wick me out and then drop it. Come on. Roll it. This next candle is going to push red. Come on. New candle, push red. Let's go. There we go. Fuck yes. Now it's a free trade, baby. Free trade. I got out of 1. All right. Well, they got me out of 2. 110 and 30, 140. All right. Whatever. Whatever. I got nervous for a little bit. Yo, king size Tootsie Rolls. Damn. Watch, I'm going to regret just taking a little bit of money. Man. Oh, what the fuck is this? Damn, Sean, you got enough points? Boom, 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 boom. Yo, hold on one second. I got to take this because this is super important. Yo, my bad. My bad, everybody. I had to take that. You guys hear me? Yo, Jose, are you in here, Jose? Yo, if you can really read lips, then you heard my address and everything. Yeah, I got the important info out there then. But yeah, Jose, I made 39. I got $3,900 in payouts today. I got 2 grand in Fidias, like just call it $900 in Topstep, and $1,000 in my funded futures. So what is that? $3,900 today in payouts. That's how I did it, people. That's how I did it. Cube. Shh. It's gonna be a rainy day tomorrow. I gotta enjoy myself. Rain's coming now, actually. It's probably raining by you. It's gonna be raining when I get this $3,900 from all these prop firms. Jose, I appreciate the support of the channel, my man. And I want to say this is one of your first times on here. You feel free to ask any questions. We have a free Discord, and I don't charge for anything. Everything's free. So feel free to hang out, ask questions. Dude, that's awesome that you made $1,400. I'm just curious, what video did you watch? I love Take Profit Trader. That's my favorite prop firm. How much does Trend Spider cost me? I don't know. That's a good question. Trend Spider. I actually don't know. Is that bad that I don't know? Yeah, I'm going to be real, Cube. I use these tools to make. Obviously, I use them to make a lot of money. So I don't actually. I don't look. Let me see. There's one tool I really like that is pricey and I don't keep it. It's MarketSmith. MarketSmith is the one that's expensive that I want to say I got TrendSpider on a special. I did get it. So I paid $641 for the entire year. That's what it was. $641 for the whole year. Yep. But yeah, Jose, just take it easy. Just keep trading it nice and easy and you'll get there. Just don't rush it. That's kind of what I tell everybody. With those Take Profit Trader accounts are worth more than every other account, like in value. The fact that you can get daily payouts, the fact that you could trade any way that you want. They're more valuable than all the other types of prop firm accounts. So just take them easy and work it up. But I would say that yeah, once you pass, those are definitely the accounts that you want. You can do a lot of damage with daily payouts. A lot of damage from daily payouts. Take Profit Trader is the closest thing to live. 1,000%. I love it. I mean, I would highly suggest it. I suggest it to everybody. Like, people are like, oh, what should be my prop firm to get? You definitely want to be on Take Profit Trader. Yes, when you look at it, you're like, oh, it's more expensive than Apex, but also there's no activation fee. So actually, if you end up passing like 1 and 2, it's probably cheaper than Apex if you pass 1 and 2. And you got a funded account that you're not going to get denied a payout in. Like, it's just so much better. I aim for like $300-400. I aim for like, so it depends, Eminem. You know how you need 5 days. So some days I'll just shoot for $100 just to get a day out of the system. Other than that, I shoot for probably $300-400 because you can only take out 1,200 at a time. So you don't need to make like a ton. So I'll shoot for like $300-400, or I'll shoot for like 100. What's up, Noel? Yo, Cube, are you calling me? I got a random 718 number calling me. Is that you? Yo, I don't even know how to put this without you guys just roasting me, but I definitely just sucked up some cinnamon on the straw, and some of it was dry, and it just hit the back of my throat, and now like I need water. Oh man, that was brutal. Yo, K Moore in the house. What's up? Selling a warranty on the Jeep you didn't buy. Yo, I'm gonna go buy a Jeep this weekend. I found myself 1,500 miles on it. A 2023 Rubicon 4xe for $43,000. Sean, I'm just going to leave that alone. Bond auction, Tony. It was supposed to taste like pineapple. Yo, I do this like cold brew coffee, and I drop cinnamon in it. It's like vanilla cold brew and drop cinnamon in it. It's so good. Root oil. Yo, somebody asked in the chat what was the cause of the drop, and I said Governor Ligma did it. Yo, I think they thought that was real. Somebody Googled Governor Ligma. Oh man. Yo, it's the cheapest Wrangler on Carvana that has low miles. What up, Luca? I wasn't here during the short, but if you look, you broke the order block, and then you literally came back and retested the breaker right there. And that's where you typically want to get short, and you're stopped out at 530. So you would have got in long at 514, out at 530. And you could have, obviously, you're not going to fucking hold the whole time. I don't want to hear, oh, I would have held the whole time. No, but like, you probably would have got, I don't know, 20, 30 points out of the drop. Did the same shit here. Broke this order block, came up, retested, and then dropped. It's the most unreliable version of the Rubicon. Why? What's the deal? What up, D-Ba? Yo, CT. I don't know anything about it. Should I not get it? Yo, Chad. Should I not get it? But doesn't it, it's gas powered though. It's not the electric one. Yo, it runs on gas. Yo, it's a gas powered. No, it's not the electric one, Sean. It's the hybrid one. If you just let the battery drain out, it just drives like a normal Jeep. Oh, baby. This is risking it for the biscuit right here. Yo, that was risking it for the biscuit. That's right off the pivot point. Right there. Look, see that orange line? Right off the pivot point at 172. These are all like, it's probably going to sell through now, but I always play first touch. Anybody that's been in here. Jose, so let's talk about the sell-off that happened. There was a bond auction, and their bond rates are going up. And that is not good. That is no bueno. Yeah, D-Ba, you stepped away and the shit dumped. I mean, I was saying that we're not done when we were up. I don't even know where we were. I said we were going to make new lows. This is it. We're there. We're making these low. We're making these new lows now. But yeah, I had a feeling we were going to go and make new ones. Yo, you know what's going to really move the market? Look at that. See, if you guys don't trade pivot points, you guys should put it on your chart. See these orange lines? It's definitely where things happen a lot in the market. Just in general, something you should put on your chart. They get calculated every day. But it's just a natural area of support, resistance. Does it stop it every time? No, but it's definitely something that you should keep an eye out on. Bonds, are they cheap? The bond rate's going up. I don't know. I don't deal in bonds. I don't know, but I guess the rate of return is up. The 1, 5, and 15 are all the same pivot point on the ones that I got. That pivot point only changes on the hourly, I think. I think now's the time to get bonds if you were looking to hold them. I think the rate is up there. It's like over 5%. I don't even think this is done. Free longs? Yeah, D-Bot, I don't know anything about it. Look at ZN for bonds. What, in the futures market? Do you play this? It's just dumping. I have this weird feeling that we're not done dumping. This is a small position. This is a small position, but the stench of a cesspool? Yo, what up, Sharif? Vivek? Come on. I mean, I got my stop right here. If I'm at, this is a small size position. This is a half size. I'm going to add if we break low a day. I just think if they dump this low of day, you might see a washout all the way down. You might see a 100-point washout, 200-point washout. I'm just playing risk reward right here. I'm risking maybe 20 points, but the reward could be massive if they flush it out. Come on, baby. I'm always cool because I'm joining your stream. Yeah, you're always welcome, man. Always welcome. Yo, everybody had fun playing poker last night. Poker was fun. If you joined, we all had a pretty good time. Josh took it down. You fell asleep? Oh, thanks, Vivek. I try to be. Oh. Come on, baby. Give it a little dumpy poo. Little dump action here to start this off. Yo, Josh beat off everyone. Yeah, he was the last man standing. Come on, roll this over and just dump it. Like, what are we doing here? I want to see low a day. LOD, baby. I want you to hit the button and we go elevator down. You see, woo! And we just, come on, baby. I think it can flush. I'm not going to lie. I think it could definitely be an exit into the end of the day. Come on. Come on. We're like right there. No, they just don't want to do it. Just hanging. Just hanging. I'm hoping. How many you suffer by that dirty move? I lost one PA account and I made money in a lot of other accounts. I also locked in $3,900 worth of payouts today, Rob. So today's been pretty good. Today has been a pretty good day. Honestly, Rob, I didn't even see the move fucking happen, but I mean, it was pretty solid of a setup. Like, we broke down, came back, retested this breaker, and dumped. It was perfect setup for shorts. I just wasn't on. Fucking dump it lower. $100. I don't know. It wasn't that good. I might get in real quick. I don't think it's done. I don't think it's done. Small size, three micros, and I'm gonna get right here. I'll risk a couple bucks. Let's see if they flush this out. If we get to like 30, I'm gonna move to break even. Well, I mean, if any of you guys followed, you're definitely up. So I don't want to hear that you got back into getting back in is an idiot move. Okay. I'm at break even. Of course, I got fucking taken out for $6. If you followed, you're fucking up. Take your profits, move your stops down. You know, it dumped. You got a good move. We just moved down, I don't know, 40, 50 points. Take your money. I just don't want to hear that somebody lost money because of whatever. So take your money, move your stops down. Make it a free trade. You know what I'm saying, guys? You heard? Don't follow blindly. Never follow blindly. Do not follow me. I probably wouldn't fade me, but I wouldn't follow me. Yeah. It was a great trade. It was a great trade. There you go. Man, I got out way too fucking early. I could have easily gotten 400 more dollars out of that. That was that was some premature cellulation. If I've ever seen some. That was some premature cellulation. Chad, I hope so. I'll get back in on a bounce. I'll definitely get back in on a bounce. Man, I knew we were going to I called that we were going to go see freaking low a day right when we were up. It just felt like that. It felt like we're not done selling at all. It's exactly what it felt like. Premature reversalation. I mean, I want to go all the way down. I want to go down 2,000 points. That'd be amazing to me. That'd be amazing. I am not looking to play any bounce reversals today. Not now. The trend is down. I'm looking for it to bounce and just follow the trend lower. There's no reason to try to grab a trend reversal right now. Nothing. I don't think you'll be able to get. To me, it just feels like I'd rather just keep playing it to the downside. I mean, that was a great freaking trade. I mean, we caught it. We were in here. It was 187. I mean, you're down 90 points. Enjoy the new past account. Yeah. Yo, what up, Oliver? Yo, a bunch of people are in the chat. What's going on? Neo, Bodine, Marco, Lenny, what are you guys up to? Kyle, Pascal, Walter, Mara. What are you guys all up to today? Making money? Hopefully. Staying on the right side of the trade. Being busted more likely? What happened? You're trying to catch the bottom? Yo, female futures trader. Yo, I locked in a bunch of payouts today. Come in whenever you want. I'm around all day. Around all day. Boom. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it's good to be done in the morning. My data says hold short. Dell, this is my quant. Look at my quant. That's what that sounds like from The Big Short. This is my quant. Oh, you played gold today? I don't play gold. Very rarely do I play gold during the day. Is gold just ripping? Oh, yeah. Gold is ripping. Yeah. Oh, here's more news. Yo, help you out anytime, man. It was super easy, right? Who's this? It'll get open again later on, Kevin. Where it's open for whoever's on the stream. It'll be open up again later on. I didn't even know it closed. It's all timed. I don't manually close it. TPT reset should be immediate, right? Yeah, it's pretty quick, Rob. You'll have another chance. It will be open later on. But yeah. Yeah, Rob, when'd you reset? Yeah, Corey, I knew you didn't have to do that. That's why I knew you didn't have to do it. Because most people don't. So that's why I knew. "30 minutes ago?" You know what? I'll be honest with you. There's probably, you know how many people are probably resetting their shit today? Probably a ton of people are resetting their stuff. Yeah, you're probably not. You're probably in a you're probably in a huge line. You and a ton of other people at a bunch of firms. I wonder if you go to other. It's probably all backed up. It's probably Tradeify. I would, if I were to guess, that anytime you start getting these massive moves and things like that, or like massive dumps, the majority of people play long, right? Or they're like, oh, it can't go any lower. And that's how people get hosed. And I'm pretty sure this is just an eval. I just wanted to play a quick scout. I was trying to get this up just a little bit more. Scalping strategy. What time do you start and stop? I trade all day, but I am on the stream from 10:30 to noon, and then I get back on around 2 p.m. to 4:30. Yeah, a lot of people probably lost accounts. I lost one, but I secured $3,900 of payouts today, so I can't really complain about it. I'm fine with those numbers. Always, yeah, Eastern time. 3 PA sucks. Were you copy trading? You got to think only to the downside. Oh, you're up almost 16,000 in the account. That's good. I'm guessing it's a larger account if you're up 16,000 in it. Come on, baby. I would like to get a couple more bucks in this eval. Just like $200 more in it. So fucking risky. Do not follow this. This is full on risk. This is risk it for the biscuit. I was just trying to get $200 more. I could have told myself it was going to happen. I think we're going to go to 045 eventually. It's kind of like a target all the way down there. Oh, I got to go open the door for my kids. Hold on. And I'm going to get water. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Oh, dude, did they just top tick me on that? Oh, I got fucking top ticked. Are you kidding? Dude, I can't believe I got top ticked. I mean, I got most of it back because I went in 3 instead of 2, but come on, man. Dude, this is just a all-out dumpage. All-out dumpage. I was being stupid this morning. I should not trade before the market. Yo, scalping, I learned that. I don't trade before the market opens, man. It's too much all over the place. Definitely too much all over the place. Got to risk it for the brisket. Get the meat. Yo, what up, D-Ba? I like these environments better, to be honest with you. These environments are a lot better. What up, McDaddy? All my accounts are 150s. Yeah. I'm just trying to get a couple more bucks here. They're not going to let it go. I'm telling you, I think we're going to go to 21. We're going to hit the pivot point down here probably. What is it? 21,045. Oh, just unload it, man. There we go. Free trade. Let this one just let it go. Nope. Just playing with it. Just keep shorting it. Yo, what up, Taco Tuesday? Brandon's in the house. Yeah, with support 3 is 045. Yeah. I mean, I don't really trust this as a pop. I think it's just going to sell off. Come on, just give a flash dump down to 45. Google still green? That's interesting. Come on. I like MJ. I like order blocks. I like pivots. I like the orbs. You know, if I'm following a trend, I like using the moving averages for a trend, like the 9 or the 34. Come on. I want to see it's got to push right now. Otherwise, they're going to bounce it. Come on. We got under. I'm shocked when we got under, it didn't push a bunch of orders. Like usually when you break something like this, like it just did, when there, like that. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for an algo candle down, just collecting stop losses and sells. Because there's people, you got to think, right? There's people that are buying in this zone and they're putting their stops right here, right? Pretty much right below, they're putting their stops, or somebody's going to get short when it breaks. So you usually get an algo candle like that when it breaks. That was a good hit. I'm looking to get like literally $100. I'm trying to get this thing to 51,800 is what I'm trying to get it to. But anyways, yeah. Just keep building up my pro account. Dude, I was looking for one yesterday. I can't. Who has a good Ninja Trader order block indicator? I don't have one on there. I don't have one on Ninja Trader. I use TradingView. Do you not have TradingView code? I use the 34 MJ just for trend pretty much. That's a sizable bounce. You might get a reversal here. I'm not playing now that we're working ourselves down. I'm kind of like, post me something in the group. What are you putting it in the Discord, DB? I think DBT is going to post something in the Discord. Maybe you can use that. Every bounce gets sold. It's just how big is that bounce going to be? I don't want to get caught in a 50-point ripper and then they're going to sell it down. I don't want to go 50 points. There was a fair value gap from a few ago. Is that valid? Let me see. On what time frame? These are all the here 5-minute, 15-minute, hourly fair value gap. Which fair value gap are you talking about? Dude, I don't even know how to say your name. YC Hoods. Yo, 300 points is solid. 2156. I don't even have one on my screen. Where's that fair value gap from? I mean, we haven't traded there in many sessions. I don't go back that far, to be honest. That's too far. Yo, what up, Newts? What up, Newts? Yeah, I don't have a fair. We haven't even traded 21056 in ages. So I would say that there's no fair value gap unless it's all the way back on the 13th. And at that point, I'm not interested. Too far. Too far. You know? Yo, what up, Vicious? Lux Algo has a free one on the website for Ninja. Yo, what up, Tim Newman? What's crack-a-lacking, man? Too far for Cove. Yeah. DBT posted a... Yo, by the way, Newts, I love the new thumbnail you made me. DBT just posted the Ninja Trader indicator. It's in the Discord. Here's the link to the Discord. It's in there, though, if you want. Yo, I appreciate it, DB. Yo, Sean, you're feeling a little FOMO? Bro, I'm with you, man. I might have to join you with an account. I don't really have an account for it. I'm gonna have to hit like I don't even know, man. I'm gonna have to hit some other account. I have a TPT account, and I have a TPT account. That's pretty much it. Oh, man. Oh, geez. I knew that was coming. Yo, what up? Yo, Dr. T. I was talking about you the other day. You're the guy that you got the negotiated Elite Trader funds, right? Where they negotiated with you? Was that you? Yo, I locked in a Fidias payout, Jim Blab. Let's see if I get paid. I locked in $2,000 with them today. We're gonna see what happens. I have no idea. Cove, are we going to get your A+ move here? Dude, it's so risky to the upside. First of all, you got 27 minutes left in the market. Honestly, if it was earlier in the day, I like it, but you got bad news. Yeah, Fidias also pays you once a month, Jim Blab. You know that? My coupon doesn't work for what? Scalping. For what? I'm not sure. It works everywhere pretty much. Yo, if Fadias pays you once a month, Jim Blab, I would not get an account there. It's kind of sucks. Oh, dude. I think they charge you monthly also. Yeah. Why? What's your year to date? I mean, not that I believe it. I've been paid the most with Apex, then Elite, one payment. I love TPT. Yeah, man. I believe that. Just like the Nigerian prince is going to send me the lotto money. That's how much I believe that. If you want, I could probably get on the phone with someone at Topstep and verify it. TPT is a mental block. Bro, maybe you can fix that broken down garage you got on your property. I'd probably start there if you got paid that much money. Yo, he's got a fucking broken down garage on his driveway. Come on, dog. Bro, I see your neighbor's house, man. There's no 115 acres. You could see the street. So you could see how spaced out all the houses are. You don't have 115 acres and your fucking neighbor is 20 yards away from your property. It doesn't happen like that. But let me guess, the acres are somewhere else. Come on, dude. Bro, I don't care, man, because no one believes you. Yo, I took out $3,900 today. Yeah. Yo, the trailer park, baby. Yo, I don't know. They're kind of making a little turn here. Trying to turn it around. See what happens. Boom, boom, boom. Bro, the best part is if you made all that money and you go to YouTube and come on everybody's stream to tell people that's even funnier. But no one cares, man. Nobody cares. Dude, I got one better. Boom.
Nobody cares.
Yo, every time you come in here, tell me how much money you made.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Yo, the more you post those shit pictures of your driveway.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
All right. I'll go back to trading. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, you got a fresh Bulenox on deck? Bro, I heard your backyard goes as long as your neck. That's what Jay told me. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, Bitcoin is freaking ripping today. Bitcoin is just ripping. Just wiped out a bunch of PAs. Yo. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I got to get it. Yeah, I got to set it up. I just hate how long it takes to get set up here. Doing it this way is definitely harder. Quantity order, more chase limit. Profit is 55. 8. Save. Dude, I'm setting this up. Boom, 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 boom. I think that's how it's done. Chase if touch. Yo, Garen, it's chase if touch, right? Garen, are you here? It's chase if touch, right? Yo, MJ, what firm is my favorite? Take Profit Trader, man. Take Profit Trader all day. What up, Inuit? Yeah, chase if touch. Yeah. Got it all set up. All right, now I got that set up. Boom. Getting all my connections ready. Bro, this is like doing this aspect of it takes so much longer than the other way. It's kind of annoying. I guess I'm going to use one of these freaking. I guess I'm going to use one of these, right? Setting it all up. You know how I roll. 38. and then 5, 5. Oh man. Is that it? I guess I'm going to do this one too. 02. Okay. We in. We locked. Yo. My bad. I wasn't looking at the screen. I was just trying to settle this shiznick up. I'm just looking. 418, 31, 5. And then I'm going to do 112. All right. All right. I'm locked and loaded here. All right. Let's see what the chat's doing. Don't forget 4 p. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Set an alarm for drift. I got a drift at 4 p.m. Yeah. Yeah. I got to do that. Yo, design knob's done. Yo, I knew it. Yeah, EMA to EMA. Yo, I'll be honest with you, DBT. Right here would have been a good buy. You break over the 34, it touches the 9, 34, and you come down and touch this imbalance and go. I just don't trust it. I'm up a bunch. I just didn't trust it. You know, just being honest. I just didn't want to I didn't want to risk it for the biscuit. I'll be honest, if I was not, being up like what I have, I didn't really have something to take it with. I guess I could have taken it right here. Actually, what is this? 92? Oh, I do. I'm not saying anybody else does. I'm going to do it. Oh, I just cracked my back. Oh, that felt so good. Okay. See what happens. Yo, you're telling me, man. I agree. You could definitely get good. I'm sticking with whatever plan I got. So we'll see. Whatever I got going on, I got going on. It's getting close. It's getting fucking tight.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
I actually don't even know what happened.
Order rejected.
Yo, the whole thing just fucked up. Dude, the whole system just fucking went haywire. My whole system went haywire. Yo, I think I broke NinjaTrader. I think I literally broke NinjaTrader. Yo, I think NinjaTrader broke. Yo, it definitely got busted. For some reason, what the fuck happened? Yo, I'll be honest with you. Ever since I swapped to do it on NinjaTrader, it's not been working out. And I think it's NinjaTrader. Because look at these fill, right? I got filled at 209 and then it sold at 201, but it should have been the other way around. It should have filled me at 201 and filled it up top. I think it's NinjaTrader that fucks me. Yeah, I'm not doing it on NinjaTrader anymore. I'm almost positive it's fucking you. I'm absolutely done. So Oscar Green, we did it ages ago, not ages ago, last month. And I want to say it worked for like 10 straight days. And I made a lot of money, like a lot of money doing it. I don't understand why NinjaTrader fucked me. I'm probably done doing it for a little bit until I can figure out what happened. Because this is a win and it lost. And that's not the first time that's happened with NinjaTrader. I think I'm done with NinjaTrader. I think that's what's causing my errors because this is a win. This is literally a win. I think it's NinjaTrader. I think it's NinjaTrader that fucks it. Kevin says it's NinjaTrader also. Yeah, you get fucking. I want to say it's NinjaTrader because that should have won. If you look at the candle, look, I'll show you the candle. Ready? My order to sell, well, it bought and then sold. It should have bought it. It should have bought right here because my order was right here. It should have bought at 202 and sold out at 208. There's no reason why. I'll even bring it up on the second, the 1 second. So right here, is the prime example. Look, it goes up. You should have gotten filled. And then it actually even hangs out up over your sell for at least 2 more seconds. There's no reason why that shouldn't have worked except for NinjaTrader software messing up. I'm out on NinjaTrader. Yeah. That's why I say don't ever do that with an account that you care about. Man, we ripped that for fucking days on end. Yeah, K Moore, I'm done with it. The way I was doing it before worked 20 out of 21 times. Like 20, like literally, I was going day after day, 500, 600, 300. I mean, I was documenting it and we crushed it. I got 9 straight days of payouts with it. I gotta see. I'm out on the ATM shit. I don't know why yours went short, Garen. Are you using NinjaTrader also? I'm out on it. I'm completely out. I'm just gonna go back to how it was working, and that's it. I'm gonna try it on evals tomorrow on how I did it prior, and that's all. No need to do anything else. I want to see this sell off if it sells. Right here, rejection, go under 70. Yeah, no, I'm in. I'm. Oh my God. I just fucking fucked up. I just went in 5 minis. Oh, I just wiped out my fucking gain for the day. Oh, I just wiped out $300 worth of fucking profit. Oh, I thought I was in 5 micros. Yeah, I'm out on the ATM, Dell. I'm just going to go back to how it was working prior. The ATM, for me, it messes up every time. I've had more problems ever since I switched to Ninja. I can't believe I just did this with minis. Tuh. Come on. This sucks that I fucking messed this up so bad. I bought 5 minis by mistake. Oh, this market's almost closed. I probably shouldn't even be in this. I didn't realize we were so close to close. Come on, just dump it. Please dump it. Oh, fuck me. Okay, got some of my money back. Dude, this is a large candle for 349. 339. I'm only taking one because it's so large. I'm only taking one. I don't like that it was so big. I mean, look how big it was. All right, I'm out. Got it again. 120 bucks. Dude, I'll tell you what, that fucking trade works every day. Every fucking day that trade works. Every single day that trade works. Yo, I accidentally bought 5 minis right here. If I would have just fucking held that, that'd have been like $2,000. Still know what trade you're talking about. Day 18 of asking what it is. All right, look. See this candle? This is the closing. This is the 359 candle, right? 359. It opens and it closes at 4 o'clock. I play the break of this candle for 5 points after hours. So I got in right here and I got my 5 points, 6 points. I'm done with Kevin. I'm so fucking done with Ninja Trader. They fucked me for the last time. Yeah, Ninja Trader has slipped me so bad. That's probably like 4 or 5 times they've done that to me. I'm done with them. I'm just going back to how I was doing it prior. Yeah, the 359 orb. Listen, you live and learn, people. You know, like, it's a good trade. We made a lot of money in it. I literally took an account, a fresh account, passed it, and then took it and got a payout by just doing one trade. So, and I have also made, I probably got like 9 daily payouts with it, with Take Profit Trader in a row with it. So it's worth, I'm definitely way up on it no matter what. So that's why I don't mind continuously doing it, because I've made a lot of money with it. One day I made $2,500 with it. It ripped, and my stop didn't trigger, and I made $2,500 with it in Take Profit Trader and withdrew, what was it, like $22,074 it was after they took their fee out. You know, so I just want you to know, like, I'm way up on it, so that's why I don't mind doing it. That's like this after hour trade. I'm way up on this trade, so I don't mind doing it now because I know it's been working. And I would never use an account that you super care about. But I'm done with Take Ninja Trader. And just so everybody knows, yeah, MJ, I want to say it's worked 4 or 5 straight days. We've done it. Just so you guys are aware. some of these trades that you see us take at the end of the day and whatnot, you can't do with Apex. They don't want you to bracket trade. So I highly recommend Take Profit Trader because they don't have any rules about bracket trading or anything. So just throwing it out there, Take Profit Trader allows you to do it. I got an email from Apex saying I can't bracket trade funded accounts. So I just want you to know that before anything, I'm just letting you guys know because I've gotten an email from Apex already about bracket trading. But you could do it in Take Profit Trader. So I'm just being honest. Yo, ducks are open for 3 minutes and we shut it off. Nah, Garen, I just do it myself. Yeah, Kevin, I'm so done with them. And listen, I apologize if you followed me and it didn't go well. It went really well for a very long time. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah. Also, if you're in here, we did a poker tournament last night. We're going to do more poker tournaments. We're going to have fun. Josh, I'll send it to you. Hold on. Let me dude, I'll look for it right now, Josh. That's the link to the Discord if you want to join and have fun. A lot of us hang out there after hours. Here, I'll show you the email. I'm just looking for it. Oh, here it is. First of all,
what's going on, traders?
Oh, geez.
So
it refreshed my So first they sent me this email that is basically all my orders, right? They sent me all my orders. And then if you scroll down in there, they sent me this with it in my email. And at the bottom, it says the profits from this trade have been removed. Yeah. So you can't bracket trade on Apex PA accounts. So if you want to do bracket trading and stuff like that, I would use a Take Profit Trader account. I'm just being honest with you. That's the one that has no rules. You know, I like Take Profit Trader for the daily payouts, but you know, I'm just throwing it out there. No rules, and you won't get an email from Apex saying that you bracket traded. Just throwing it out there to anybody. That's the way I would go. And it's actually, you know, I've never had an issue with Take Profit Trader either. But you can, yeah, Kevin, you can. But it can't be based on you thinking a move. It's fucking weird, man. I'm going to be honest with you, Kevin. They write the rules very vague so they can kind of do whatever they want. I'm not saying Apex is bad. I'm just saying that I probably wouldn't leave brackets on my accounts. I wouldn't do that. Oh, what did we do? We hit 100 people in the chat? Yo, we hit 100 people in the chat? Yo, what up, everybody? I'm just warning you guys. Yo, Raggy Baba. I would just watch out. I would trade. I've made moves, and they asked me to explain why I got into trade and why I did something. Yo, DBT, smash the like button. What's up, Marie? Yeah. Just keeping it real. I probably wouldn't trade with them on doing stuff like that, to be real. I'm just going through this stuff. But yeah, I'm completely done. Were you 100? I don't know. There's 99 people in here. Let's see if we go over 100. Yeah, they told me, and now I'm telling you guys. Apex asked, yo, McDaddy, I ran a funded account up to $62,000 for a 50K. And I requested money. Boom. Yo, high ever is 103. 103 is the record. Yo, I'm Bonnie Blue. I need 1,000 to become Bonnie Blue of the streaming world. But yeah, man, I would say that come hang out. That's what it's about. What was I gonna say? You Sophia Rain. But yeah, I don't even know what I was saying, but I don't know. I locked in $3,900 worth of payouts today, so that's a plus. Blew some evals. I'll never use Ninja Trader for that trade again. I'm completely out on Ninja Trader for that bracket trade. I'll use the Replicanto section of it like I was doing prior, but I won't. I'll use the copy trade part of Ninja, but I'm going to do the actual trade on Tradeivate. If you guys know what I mean. What up, Rayu? Yeah, so I'm going to go back to doing it the way I was doing it. That will help me out more than anything. So we're going to do the account giveaway in 8 minutes. Yo, is it raining? Yo, what up, Benny? Yo, it's like drizzling out here. It's going to be raining lightly for the next couple hours, and then it's going to dump. I just showed an email, Corey, that Apex sent me about using bracket orders. I'm out on Ninja PG. It moves too fast, and I think it messes it up. Yo, what up, Varma? What up, what up? What's up, J Stores? Yo, I'm gonna grill up burgers in the rain, Newts. I have Stu Leonard's Steakhouse burgers. I'm about to grill them up after the stream. Yeah, after the stream, I'm gonna grill it all up. I got Steakhouse burgers. It's that, or I'm doing Italian food. Oh, I got Apex gave me a email saying I can't bracket trade, looking for outside moves based on news or anything else. Yeah, and they sent me this whole email. I like that. What was that? Worcestershire sauce or whatever. I put that on the meat. Dude, 106. That's a new high. That's a record. Yeah. Dude, this thing's just selling off. Yo, the 4 o'clock trade worked. That 4 o'clock trade has worked every single day, by the way. Every single day for the last 4 or 5 days, the 4 o'clock trade has worked ever since I started forward testing it. We'll see what happens. Damn, just pouring in. What do you do? What do you put on my meat? I put seasoning in like it's a Worcestershire. I don't even know how to fucking say it. That sauce. Do I recommend the 25K? 25K is easier, or 50. And then if you're going to do more than 50, I recommend just going to the 150. Yo, what up, TJ? What's the rule for the drift trade? 5-point profit target, 10-point stop, 359 break. Yeah. It's pronounced Worcester? Is that how you say it, Gene? I don't even know. Worcestershire sauce? I don't even know. I don't even have it in my fridge right now. I have to look it up on the computer every time I put it in for Whole Foods. Methodical, I'm done with, I'm out on, what do you call it? I am completely out on using Ninja anymore. I'm going to just go back to how I was doing it because I should have made money today and I didn't. Marie, Worcestershire. Okay. Dude, I can't. I'm out. Oh man. The W sauce, JJ. Yo, you ain't kidding. You ain't kidding, man. Yo, it's so good though. I'm gonna grill it up. You got 4 minutes. We're gonna run the old duck race. If anybody wants to hang out, we do poker tournaments. Since we did a poker tournament last night, top 3 got free accounts. So if you guys are looking to do that, we'll probably do another tournament. Not next week, but the week after. I'll probably post it in the Discord if you guys want to go in. Who won? Oh, Josh won last night. You could do anything you want on evals. They just won't do it on Yo, it's a new high, Josh. Yo, you win the poker tournament and you bring everybody in. Yeah, it was good though. I'm gonna try getting more people though. I think we got 30 something. All right, Speed Racer, I'm gonna look. Yo, we play poker for free to just shoot the shit in the Discord, and we all jump on voice at night so everybody can talk. You don't just hear me, you hear like whoever wants to talk. We have the voice channel set up and they play poker every night in there. And then, but the other tournament is like a bigger deal, I guess. It's more like a decompression at night. Talk some trading, talk some sports, talk a bunch of shit. Oh, man. I'm going to set this thing up right now. So if you're new here, welcome to the stream. We stream every day, 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. We do these account giveaways a lot. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. That's what allows me to do these giveaways all the time. It works at all the prop firms. Let me set this up. Yeah, and if you got questions about anything, now's the time to ask. Strategies, prop firms, anything. Well, I only say it because I could share my screen and like actually show you whatever you might ask. I can do a screen share. What do you guys want to do? Ducks, and balls? Do a ball bag race at the end of the day? Also, that will answer some of your... Yo, Nitro! Appreciate it, man. Yeah, we're going to do poker in 2 weeks. So this is the morning stream. Winner of the morning stream plays the winner of the afternoon stream. And they play for a Take Profit Trader account. Everybody loves a good ball bag race. Who doesn't love ball bag race? The My Funded Futures, it's right there. It's a free reset with any eval. Use coupon code COVETRADER. You buy any eval, you get a free reset with it. So if you blow that account, you automatically get another reset. So it's kind of like a buy one, get one. You basically have 2 chances to pass. Yeah, you basically have 2 chances to pass. If you guys didn't get in the duck race, you'll be able to get in the duck race tomorrow. Dennis, you're late. It's all set. It's all automated. You got to come in during the market hours. Yo, Ali. Oh, dude, they just played you. Ivan? Ivan, you got 2 minutes. It's 4:21. No activation fee. There's no activation fee on it either. Basically, it's a free reset with any eval. It's up, and you get up to 3 of them. It's actually a really good deal. Is Ivan in here? You got 2 minutes to claim your account. Otherwise, we rerun it. Oh. Dude. Ninja Trader messed me up, Garen. Bro, we might rerun this. This is why you don't leave. Oh, baby. Is he not in here? What up, Chris? Market just destroyed your account? That sucks, man. Bro. That sucks. Dude, I'm going to set the timer for less while we're waiting. I don't think he's going to come in. I think he's out. Oh, man. That sucks. We're going to do a quick sprint. Quick sprint for... Sucks. He missed it. Bro, he's always pooping. Always pooping. Dude, I got to get rid of these fucking ads. Rerun time. Yo, Chris, the bond auction happened and trapped all the bulls. What up, Luca? Luca, you here? Please tell me you're here. It's 4:23. Okay, cool. All right, everybody in the afternoon stream right now. Afternoon stream, assemble. Let's see who this is. And then we're going to do the ball bag. Ball bag, you got to do the ball bag race. Especially with all the new people. They got to see what the ball bag is. What up, Truth? Oh, man. So it's going to be Luca versus somebody. Bro, that's so fucked up, Newts. Yo, Ivan. You're late, bro. You won. That's crazy. You know what's wild is Yo, David, you here? Yo, what's crazy is once they're in, you can't just get that person out probably. Like he's logged in already. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't just be like, oh, log that person out. That he's probably in it already. Yo, you took your first payout? I knew it. Yo, my man, first payout. That's awesome. That's awesome, man. Yo, smash the some confetti, but better yet, I'm going to give you the clap. You earned the clap, my man. Who would have thought you would have got the clap today? Dude, that's nice. So who is it? David versus who? Oh, David versus Luca, right? Ball bag race, David versus Luca. Oh, here we go. Winner gets a Take Profit Trader account. You don't see how you can get a payout? What do you mean? I got paid out from 3 different prop firms today, Chris. I got a Topstep payout, a Fidias payout, and a damn, who was the other one? Oh, my funded futures payout. Damn, David, you just riding that thing. David, shoot me an email. Why? I'm just curious. Maybe I can help you out. I don't know, Yan. Don't get Fidias, Yan. They pay out once per month. Don't get Fidias. One bad day and 4 good days. Go. Chris, I'll be honest with you. There's a lot of, I don't want to say simple strategies, but I think obviously there's the bad day and things like that. I'd put some risk parameters in. Yeah, I mean, obviously I'm profitable. You know, like a day like today, like $3,900 covers way more than I'm going to spend all month. And now I have, you have the whole month of getting payouts. Plus I'm trading stocks, options, and a personal, I trade a personal account also. Don't get a Fidias account. I would not get that at all. Yeah, Chris, I would say listen, I would say ask a lot of questions in here. I would say hang out, ask a lot of questions. Never load the boat. Never, ever load the boat. Yeah, I use a PC. I have a Dell Business computer. It's super expensive, but really good for the most part. Yeah, well, you know what it is? Yo, I love pancakes. Hell yeah, I like pancakes. I felt like if you were gonna get a computer, you gotta get a really good one if I was gonna, use it for trading, you know. So that's kind of why I went with my with the computer I got, kind of why I went this route. I just think that it was the Dell Business computer. It's got 64 gigs of RAM, which is what you really want with what we're doing is the RAM. And I run a ton of shit on this computer. Yeah. I mean, you'll probably get more money for your buck. I bought my Dell one was like, I think it was like $3,200, and it came with 2 monitors. So I added a third monitor. So I got 3 24-inch monitors across, and then to take some of the workload off of my main computer, I have my laptop up at the same time, so I can run like another piece of software on my laptop to just kind of take that off of my main one. Yo, Total Construction. Yeah. Yo, what up, Pine? What up? Yo, later, Cash. I'm trading options stocks at the same time in a personal Ninja account as well. Total Construction. Personally, I'm kind of trading it all. Down the road in Pequot? Where's Pequot? It sounds so familiar. Is that out on Long Island? Oh, Massapequa. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I thought you were talking about, dude. I thought you were talking about. Where was I? So I think Pequot's an area out in the island. That's where I was thinking about it. I lived out in the island for a little bit. Oh, man. Baldwin Bros are from my town. Who's the Baldwin Bros? I don't know who the Baldwin Bros are. Your Dell T. I don't know. What is that code? Is that like an old computer? Oh, Alex Baldwin? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Dude, that guy shot that freaking actor. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Wild. Absolutely wild. Goes to show you what money does. I shoot that person, I'm freaking fried. I'm fried. Man, everything dumped today. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm right by there. Yo, later, Sean. Yeah, I'm right by there, Chris. Yeah, they're gonna actually. I heard they're gonna suck people off for you to go watch it. That was what. I hope one of you guys gets it. I hope somebody gets it. There's gonna be gobs of people trying to get it. I'm curious how many they're going to give out. But I'm last time they Tradeify gave away accounts, CT didn't even get his. So good luck. Call on your phone. I don't have your number. Dude, my whole address has been on this stream at one point, actually a couple times. I don't even think people realize it, but my whole name and address has been on the stream already. I've had people comment that they know where I live. Put it like that. Yo, later, Code. Dude, my Funded Futures TV might be the worst channel ever. I watched for a little bit. I can't. It's got to be the yeah. It's awful. What up, Cody? I'm sure Tradeify TV will be popping, and then all of a sudden it'll just go way down. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. It's kind of like if Tradeify TV was so good, they would put themselves out of business. Because if everyone followed the people on there, they would all win and then put Tradeify out of business. So I think there's like I don't know. To me, there has to be a split. You know, like I feel like it's a conflict of interest because if they're so good, the prop firm would be out of business, which leads me to believe. Yo, what up, Cody? What up? What up? He's my next phone call in about 45 minutes. We're real life best friends. I do wonder if Tradeify TV. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I don't listen to them. I prefer trading. I like trading just myself for the most part. Especially in the morning, I play a lot of stocks and options. So like I strictly focus on setting my positions up, getting everything ready for the day, and getting in and out of anything I want in like the first little bit. And then I trade futures as well. And that's why I don't stream right off rip, is because I'm busy making money on the other things. Yeah, I don't know. A lot of them are boring. Like Topstep, even Topstep TV is boring. They got a lot of boring guests on there. You know, like it's a good idea, but it's just a lot of, I get why they do it, but it's pretty boring for the most part. Yeah. Like how do you relate to some of those super old guys? Like I don't relate to them at all. They need younger, more, I don't know. To me, like the idea is good. The production's great. I like the people I've dealt with when I was on Topstep TV. Like I like it. I'm just out. I'm just out. It is. My Funded Futures is always no activation PG. Yo, damn, Jim Blair. Yeah, my funded futures is always no activation fee. Newts, you did not win. Why haven't they asked us to come back? They were not completely fond of how Jay traded evals. But we'll probably be back. We'll probably be back. I don't know. Probably cool off for a little bit. But yeah, I mean, I'm just being honest with you. That's the deal. That's why we haven't been asked back. Listen, I would love to go back. I've emailed them after it was like after we were asked like every week, and I even emailed them after like 2 or 3 weeks, just saying, "Hey, I just want to make sure I didn't miss an email," and they gave me the reason. And listen, it's their show; they can do whatever they want. You know, I'm not one to tell them if they don't like something, then, you know, that's the way it is. Yeah, Ruben. Yeah. I bet. Yo, who saw that video of that guy that showed his wallet code and they drained him for like $100,000 on live? I like to use three minis, MJ, on evals. 3 eval. Well, welcome to the stream, Ruben. Also, yeah, I like to go three minis. I think we'll be back. I think it just needed a cool off time. Yeah, I'm not so sure, Fred. But yeah, I think it just needs a little cool off time, and we'll be back. You know, dude, I don't know how. I mean, that's why every so often I take my screen off because I bring up something personal. You know, you don't ever want to bring up something personal on here because there's always someone here looking to scam you. Just throwing it out there. I mean, someone's always looking to scam. Let's see what this daily candle looks like anyways. Yo, honestly, this might be the bottom. Look at that. We went right into the hourly order block. Look at that shit. Right on the hourly pivot point and the order block. Look at that. We closed right above. We closed right above it. We held the order block. If we bounce out of 196, it's a pretty good trade. Yeah. Now here's the 4-hour. Honestly, we swept these lows on the 4-hour and we're back up over the pivot. We might get a bounce tomorrow. You know, I think we're going to get a bounce. I kind of like it. Just looking at it. Maybe you get some type of megaphone pattern. something like this. Oh, man. Dude, I don't understand. Why would you want to see somebody hacked? I don't understand. Why would somebody want to see somebody hacked? It makes no sense. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I'll give him a ring later on. I mean, what karma? The guy just trades. Dude, Jay Powell needs to get... Bro, have you ever seen the short I made with freaking Jay Powell? Newts. Yo, the Jay Powell short is freaking hysterical. Let's see if I can find it. Shit's hysterical. He came on to talk about... Oh, yeah, this shit's fucking so funny. Yeah, I'll bring it on the screen.
That kind introduction, Austin. So I'm looking forward to our conversation. Thank you and good afternoon. It's great to be back in Chicago. And thanks for that kind introduction, Austin. So I'm looking forward to our conversation.
Yo, that shit is so funny. Oh my God. I trade bull and bear traps and crown reversal. Joseph James teaches for free. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see a bounce. That's what I'd probably be looking for. Halfway up the candle is... This candle's not done yet, but halfway up, probably be somewhere around here. Yeah, so 117. Interesting. Yo, DBT. Yeah. Freaking hysterical. Oh, man. I am freaking exhausted. Locked in payouts today. Locked in. I got to now submit for payouts. We'll see. Everyone I got to pay out with, I should get paid. I don't see why I wouldn't. But we shall see. There's a court cases. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Other than that, guys, I appreciate everybody coming by. If you want to support the stream, use the code below. We'll be back at it tomorrow at 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. Feel free to come by the Discord and hang out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I appreciate everybody in the chat. If you have any questions, you can ask over there. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right? Peace.